Hi viewers, welcome to Feel Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what is your next achievement in your life? So what is your next achievement? It's a pick a pile reading. So you need to choose the card whichever you are drawn towards. You can choose multiple cards also if you are drawn towards. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose blue pile? What is your next achievement? So pile number 1, who choose blue pile? You are going to achieve something in your life which will surprise you or shock you. You may be waiting for something from long to achieve it with the person you want to reconcile with someone from your past, or you lost someone, you want that person back into your life, or you are looking for any kind of financial help or any kind of abundance. So in future you are going to receive it. Next achievement is achieving your desire. Whatever desire you have, whether it is in your personal life, professional life or family life, you are going to achieve it. Whatever currently you have wish in your heart or mind, that wish is going to fulfill. So your next achievement is your dream is coming true. You are going to fulfill your dream. This is your next achievement in your life. Let's move on to pile number 2, who choose red pile. What is your next achievement in your life? So pile number 2. Pile number 2, I think you are very stressed, so you are in the next, you are going to feel very fulfilled. Your next achievement is coming into that satisfaction with your life, in your career, in your mental peace, in your spirituality. Wherever, I think you lack something in your life, you lack or you don't, but you are thinking that you lack something in your life, but in next achievement is you are going to achieve that thing. Whatever you are feeling lack or you are not feeling completed, not feeling satisfied, you are going to achieve that satisfaction. Even you are single also, you are achieving that satisfaction of solitude. You are going to taste that satisfaction or happiness of that solitude, because you have everything. The thing is you are feeling lack of something. Maybe you are alone, so you are feeling that you lack something in your life. So next achievement is you are going to feel content with yourself. You are going to feel happy with your solitude. You feel complete with yourself. You are not looking for anyone to complete you. You are just feeling complete with yourself. So you are going into that stage actually next. So that is your next achievement. You are reaching that stage where you are enjoying yourself, where you are enjoying your solitude. If something is there or not, someone is there or not in your life, you are just going to achieve that happiness of that solitude. So this is your next achievement. Let's move on to pile number 3, who choose white pile. What is your next achievement? So pile number 3, your next achievement is your healing from your mental worries, mental illnesses, stress, depression, anxiety regarding your family or professional life, whatever it is. You are literally gone through a lot, I think. You've gone through a lot in your life, whether it is family or professional life. You took a lot of mental tensions, or you have any kind of illnesses, even in physical also, not just in the mental related. You may be having some health issues also. So your next achievement is you are coming out of it. Finally, you are coming out of that illness, whether it is a mental illness or physical illness. So you are coming out of it. You are healing yourself. You are coming out. You are totally free from it. Whatever illness you are going through, your next achievement is you are coming out of it. You are feeling full healthy. You are becoming a healthy person, whether it is a mentally or physically. You are feeling, or you are becoming a healthy person. So this is your next achievement. You are achieving your health, your mental health, your emotional health, or whatever pains or whatever painful situations you have gone through, you are coming out of it. So finally you are receiving your peace. Exactly, it is a health. You are coming out of that illness. This is your achievement. You are becoming a healthy person. Finally, you are coming out of all those illnesses and you are becoming a strong and healthy person. That is your next achievement. So pile number 4, who chose yellow pile? What is your next achievement? So pile number 4, your next achievement is you are traveling a lot. You may be doing even world tour also. Maybe you have a dream to do a world tour. So your next achievement is you are achieving that, or you are fulfilling that dream. You are fulfilling the desire to travel the world. And moreover, you are not traveling alone, you are traveling with your companion, your partner, if you are married, with your spouse, whoever, maybe it is your soulmate. So finally, your next achievement is if you have any travel goals, you are achieving the travel goals. You are traveling whole world, not just nearby areas or within the country, within the state, all over the world you are traveling. That too with a good companion. You are enjoying a lot. You are going to enjoy a lot that traveling. You learn a lot of things from that traveling also. Maybe you have the desire to travel different countries, different locations, to study the people, or to observe the things. So your next achievement is whatever travel plans you had or have, that is going to fulfill. Your next achievement is you are going for a very long travel. I can say, yeah, it's a world tour with a person who you like. So let's move on to pile number 5, who choose green pile. What is your next achievement? I don't know whether. Okay, pile number 5, who choose green pile. Maybe your family situation is not good. I think you are living with a person who is not, you are not satisfied in your relationship, whether it is a spouse or lover. So for you it is an achievement only. You are coming out of that commitment. You are coming out of that marriage, long-term commitment. I think you don't like it. I think that's why you feel it came as an achievement. So whatever situation you are right now, so that family situation which is not serving you or which is not making you happy, so next achievement is you are coming out of that. Finally you are trying from long, I think, to come out of it. Maybe you are thinking to give divorce or come out of some family situations. You want to come out from your family. So finally you are doing it. You are coming out of your family situations. If you are staying with your partner, you are coming out of it. You are staying if you are sharing same apartment or room, you are coming out of it. If it is in a friend circle, if it is in a marriage, I think you are coming out of that marriage, that long-term commitment. You are finally coming out of that relationship. If it is a family and you are dealing with some narcissistic people, family members, so finally you are coming out of that. You are no more staying with them. So finally you are out of that situation, family situation. You are finally able to leave those people and you are coming out. So maybe you are going through lot in your family matters, relationship matters, which is not good for you, which is not serving you, which is not making you happy. So finally your next achievement is you are coming out of that. It is particularly showing your marriage or long-term commitment. So if you are with the partner from long time which you really don't want to, so finally you are coming out of that relationship. So this is your next achievement. So thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.